Matakas ngiyum tidang ba kajilaw konat ke sang mau la pelai pai ba yaki kali thema gi pulit ha police officer mes golfling silong kum ka senjam ka bokong san ban penklanya ya ka leit kawan ka kit ka ba ka be kam be jam jong gi pulit khnang ba kin la ban a shu ke jing sekri ka kham ha yaki pai ba ka director general of police kong ida shan nongrang klai don lang ha ka nek program lengkat ki wei pat ki he pulit jong ka jela ha ka nek program la pentip ba hadu khnai pesan teli kali lathet na kam ta tanat pulit ya ke bah nyop khnai teli kali lathet lembaga song pisal ba ai de Sorkar India hapo ke Central Assistant to State Police Scheme kini kali badang syutit temai ki kentup ya apo teli ki Maruti Jimny khat khnai teli ki Tata truck san teli ki Mahindra mini truck khat khnai teli ki bus badan apo jika syong spho teli ki bus badan afsrau jika syong pratli ki bus badan jika syong lai penrungut bat pratli ki Tata Yodha na kam ta tanat CID kajing lut nam ta kini khnai pesan teliki kali lakot sekalai pau Klur tengka ha bakran ha kajingang umtrang ba kajilau konar ke sang mau la banjur yang jindon kam jeng kesuk kesanya ke sensia ke khandar bat la banjur ya kajingkut jingbut jeng soka man penklan ke tenat pulit.
Today we have given an additional 95 vehicles to the police force to be distributed in different districts, and this is in continuation with our state government's commitment to ensure that we are able to maintain law and order and support our police forces and enhance their capability and strength. So whether it's manpower, recruitment, whether it's the infrastructures at the grassroots level in outposts and police stations, whether it is training of our police force, or whether it is logistical support like vehicles and also different ammunition and other equipments that are required. In all areas, our government has been supporting the police force to enhance their capability so that they are able to perform their duties in a much more efficient manner, which will ultimately, of course, benefit the people of our state.
So also your thoughts